bumalik sa akin yung ginagawa ko noon. Pagpasok ko, it was dark, right? Tapos sabi ko, yung parang ipinikit mo, tapos ito yung scent na yun. Yung scent na yun. Oo.
Okay.
Opo, totoo, marami pa rin akong natututunan ng ganun. And it's always fun and it's always good to learn.
So, wala ka namang na-experience, mga horror experience sa shooting, noon at ngayon?
Noon at ngayon,
We did films before, when I was still a kid,
yeah, he was mga
15 years ago.
Yeah, he was 4.
Nasa Bilao siya.
Loko.
Mga 15 years ago.
Loko boy, you were only 4 eh.
Ay, Eric PJ, may pahabol si Vinya Vibar na question.
Talagang ituro.
Yeah, ano daw yung mararamdaman nyo ngayong, si Richard, pwede rin si Manilyn na yung project nyo ngayon, wala na nga si Mother Didi.